Saturday 28th October, right before Halloween. This is what we gotta do. Try to clean some of it up today. And we're waiting. I haven't been here most this week. My project's done. Doing all this, I can never get anything done. I'm gonna show it. I'm gonna get the roof and do all this. All around the sides. This we don't have to do, just clean the porch off a little bit. Stacy used to help a ton with that. This thing looks crazy. She has her own issues. So here we go. Clear sidewalks with overgrown mud and rocks and all that. More stuff. Almost done. About 2 hours going on so far. That's a big pile. That's big piles. Got the roof cleaned, the gutters. We got to clean the front house gutters. That's it. October 20th, I think. Saturday.